Hello, and welcome to a few short tutorials on how to use the NEA element marking or assessment tool. It's just an admin helper. Please read the disclaimer. It should always open looking like this. You will see a version number and a date here. Once you click on agree, you go into the student record pane. It's important to understand that down the left here is the opportunity for you to put your own student names in here. And then when your class is finished, if you've got a class of 20, you can simply delete the names below so that you'll work with your single class cohort. Most of the fields on here are not writable. Here is a place for recording the candidate number. Now, each individual student has a candidate number, and the value of recording it here is that when you go to create the assessment record sheet, which needs to be sent off to your moderator, the numbers here are part of the information that needs to go in along with the student name. We'll show you a little bit more of that later. You have the version number up here. Menu button will launch a control which looks like this. Exit will do just that. Select students will show you the students that you have. You can see now that the list is stopped at 20. So make sure you don't leave open gaps here in your list of students. Make sure that the list is continuous till the end of your class. But what you're able to do is you can select all the students or select some of them, and there are two types of report. The NEA record is one version, and the other version is the individual report, and we'll show you what those look like later. If you reset all data, it will empty any student data and flush the spreadsheet ready for you to put a completely new class in. The only other thing is the import data. If I click on that now, it does warn you to get prepared. And basically, this is a routine that will suck the data that you have stored for a class of students in a previous version into the most recent version. And that way you're able to change to new versions of the tool without losing the work you've done so far. That's a quick introduction. The only other thing to say is that once you're interested, once you want to start doing assessments for any individual student, let's choose student 10 here. You come into a sheet here where I'll talk to you in the next film about how you do your assessments and capture comments. That's all for now.